Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Sandeep. I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, we are diving into the world of tuples. Tuples are a fundamental data type in Python that can be incredibly useful in your programming journey. Let's explore what tuples are, how to use them, and why they are important. What is a tuple? A tuple is a collection of items that are ordered and immutable, cannot be changed after creation. Tuples are similar to lists, but with one key difference. Once a tuple is created, its elements cannot be modified. This immutability makes tuples a great choice for storing data that should not be changed throughout the lifecycle of your program. So now let's look at how to create a tuple. I'm going to name it as my tuple. I'm going to add some value to it. Alright, now we are going to print it. Okay, now we got our very first tuple values printed on the console. So this is how we create tuple in Python. Now we are going to look at how to access elements in a tuple. And we are going to take index. So I'm going to call it as fruits. And I'm going to apple, banana, cherry, alright, so we got a list of fruits. Now I'm going to print out banana with the help of index. So each element has its own index, right? So we are going to, while printing on the screen, I'm going to call fruits, then pass the index number. Let's say I want to print cherry on the screen. So I'm just going to print out, I'm going to pass number 2, and we should be having cherry printed on the screen. Now if I remove and I want to print mango, so I should be having 4 as the index number. If I run it, mango should be printed on the screen. So this is how we access elements in tuple. Now we are going to look at how packing and unpacking work in tuple. All right. So in Python, tuples are used to group multiple items into a single variable. Tuple packing and unpacking are fundamental concepts that make it easy to work with these grouped items. Alright, so tuple packing is the process of creating a tuple by grouping multiple values together. Now let's look at in action. So I'm going to remove this. Alright, now I'm going to call person. I'm going to give some value to it. Alright, so the variable person contains Alex, 28 and data analyze. So we can categorize as a name, age and occupation, right? So now we are going to see how the tuple unpacking is working. So tuple unpacking is the process of extracting the values from a tuple and assigning them to individual variables. Let's look at that in action. Now I'm going to say name, age, profession. Alright, now I'm going to say person. Now if I print name, print age, and print profession, we should be having Alex Number 28, and data analyst printed on the screen. Alright, so this is how packing and unpacking works in tuple. Now we are going to look at a practical example of passing multiple values to a tuple and unpacking that. Now I'm going to define a function info. Now I'm going to return alright. Now I'm going to unpack the return tuple. Okay, so I'm going to say name, age, and PROAV, profession equal to get person info. Now if I say print name, print age, now we should be having name, age, and profession printed on the screen. You got Alice, 28, and doctor. Now we are going to look at another example where we are going to iterate over a list of tuples. Alright. Now first of all we are going to create a list of tuple equal to this. Bob, animator, Alice, say 27, doctor. Alright, now we are going to iterate through this list. I'm going to call name, age, and profession. These are the variables, people, and I'm going to say print okay, so name Bob is a profession. Bob is an animator, or for the sake of this video I'm going to say as okay. Alright, now if I print, let's say, alright, so Bob is a businessman and is 25 years old. Alice is a doctor and is 27 years old. Alright, so this is how you work with packing and unpacking in tuple. Now we are going to create another practical example. Now we are going to create a to-do list with tuples. So first of all I'm going to remove this. I'm going to create a task. Alright, so this is our list of tasks. Now we are going to display the task through for loop. So I'm going to create for task in tasks. I'm going to say, I'm going to unpack this title, priority, status, task. Yep. Now I'm going to print it. Task, title, priority, and then status. Alright, now if we run this program, we should be having task learn Python, priority high, status incomplete, then task write a blog post, priority medium, status incomplete, task go for a run, priority medium, status complete. Alright, so this is how we work with tuple in Python. Tuples are a powerful and efficient way to handle collections of data in Python, especially when you need to ensure the data remains unchanged. They are simple yet versatile, making them a staple in any Python programmer's toolkit. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay happy. Bye for now.